Now, the Tennessee Valley's certified most accurate forecast from the Fox 54 Weather Impact Team.
And a good Tuesday morning to you. I'm Fox 54 Weather Impact Chief Meteorologist Jordan Dressman. I believe as you head out the door for work, get the kids on the school bus this morning, you're going to notice more cloud cover across the Tennessee Valley. Don't let that deter you, though. We are still going to be warm this morning, incredibly warm, as a matter of fact. I believe most of the kids are heading back to school this morning. 54 degrees at 7 a.m., 55 at 8, 57 by 9, 59 degrees by the time we get to 10 a.m. Yeah, early January and already 59 degrees by the time we get to 10 o'clock in the morning. From there, temperatures are going to continue to climb as we head into the afternoon. Highs climbing into the low and mid 60s across the Tennessee Valley. I do think we'd be a little bit warmer today if it weren't for the cloud cover that is going to be present across the Tennessee Valley. All told, I really don't anticipate getting much in the way of any sort of sunshine. Maybe some light clearing as we head into the evening, but I think any sort of clearing is going to be difficult to come by. With that in mind, temperatures are going to stay relatively warm. 62 at 6, 61 at 7, 59 at 8, 58 degrees by the time we get to 9 o'clock. Notice temperatures are falling off somewhat slowly once we get beyond sunset. That is thanks to the increasing cloud cover. I do believe, just like last night, tonight is going to be another one of those nights when maybe you could turn the heater off, or at the very least give it a little bit of a break. It's probably not going to run all night tonight because temperatures are only going to drop off into the mid and upper 40s across the Tennessee Valley, and then warm again as we head into your Wednesday. Now, once we get to Wednesday, I do actually think we're going to get to enjoy a little bit of sunshine. So temperatures are going to climb a little bit more into the mid and upper 60s, making a pretty solid run at 70 degrees. And honestly, I wouldn't be the least bit surprised if somebody over in northwest Alabama, they're typically a little bit warmer than everybody else, actually makes it to 70 degrees. Here's Futurecast as we head into the lunch hour. We're talking about the chance for a couple of isolated showers across the Tennessee Valley. Emphasis here on isolated showers. Whatever does manage to develop this afternoon is going to be incredibly light in nature. It's not going to stick around too terribly long. In general, through the course of the afternoon, we're just going to be talking about a mostly cloudy or an overcast sky. We maintain that overcast sky through the overnight and then early into your Wednesday morning. Otherwise, the Wednesday morning commute is going to be without issue. Now, some breaks in the cloud cover through Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening, but then through the overnight, early into Thursday morning, cloud cover builds back in to the Tennessee Valley. It'll stick with us through Thursday afternoon. That cloud cover on Thursday afternoon is going to be ahead of our next system. Our next system comes in the form of a cold front, which by the lunch hour on Friday is going to be back off to our west. There is a lot of shower and thunderstorm activity associated with this cold front. Some of this activity is going to be on the stronger end of the spectrum. The greatest chance for anything severe, though, is going to be well off to the west. I believe this cold front is a few hours too fast as far as this model guidance is concerned, trying to bring it into the Tennessee Valley practically at the lunch hour. I don't think it's going to push its way into our neck of the woods until we get to the later part of the afternoon, early into the evening. At that point, these showers and thunderstorms aren't going to pack near the punch that they're going to pack out west. So some good news there. As it does move through the Tennessee Valley, though, I do anticipate getting some heavy rain and maybe some gusty winds. We could use the heavy rain. The month of December left us with a bit of a deficit across the Tennessee Valley. So honestly, we could use some rain here in the month of January. Have a good look at the next 7 days. 64, 65, Tuesday, Wednesday, 68, 70, Thursday, Friday. Now, we are going to get cooler as we head into the weekend. It's not supposed to be close to 70 degrees in early January. We all know that. 57 on Saturday, and even that is still above average. Closer to average by the time we get to Sunday and Monday of next week with plenty of sunshine. I've got 50 degrees each day. Stick around to Fox 54 Plus. Got more weather and traffic updates coming up.